Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. Have you ever stopped to think about how quickly we consume resources only to discard them shortly after? Imagine if we could redesign this system to benefit not just us, but also the planet. Welcome to RenEnergy.com, your go-to platform for innovative renewable energy solutions and actionable sustainability practices for a carbon-neutral future. Our platform is a treasure trove of ideas and solutions aimed at fostering a sustainable shift in how we live and interact with our environment. Today, we're peeling back the layers of a game-changing concept, the circular economy. Far from being a trendy catchphrase, the circular economy presents a transformative approach to production and consumption, challenging the outdated extract, build, toss cycle we've been locked into for so long. You won't want to miss this. Let's dig in. The traditional linear economy, the unsustainable take, make, dispose model. Defining the linear economy, a one-way street to waste. In the traditional linear economy, the modus operandi is simple yet fundamentally flawed. Take resources, make products, and then dispose of them. This one-way system, focused solely on production and consumption, has become a global standard. But what's the real cost of such simplicity? Resource depletion, a ticking time bomb. The linear economy is not just unsustainable, it's a voracious consumer of our planet's finite natural resources. Whether it's the minerals that go into our tech gadgets or the fossil fuels that power our vehicles, this model is on a fast track to depleting Earth's invaluable assets. Environmental degradation, no small footprint. But the problems don't stop at resource depletion. The extraction and processing of these natural resources often result in significant environmental damage, affecting ecosystems and human communities alike. The climate change connection, more than just fumes. One of the most overlooked aspects of the linear economy is its contribution to climate change. The entire life cycle of products, from production and transportation to disposal, emits a staggering amount of greenhouse gases. In a world that's already grappling with a climate crisis, can we afford to continue this way? What is a circular economy? A paradigm shift for sustainability. Understanding the circular economy, redesigning the future. If the linear economy is a one-way street leading to waste and resource depletion, the circular economy is a roundabout of sustainability. But what exactly is a circular economy? At its core, it's an economic model that aims to eliminate waste and make the most of available resources. This system rests on three fundamental pillars: designing out waste, keeping products and materials in use, and regenerating natural systems. 3 pillars, 1 goal: eliminate waste, maximize resources. 1. Designing out waste. Unlike the linear economy, where waste is almost inevitable, the circular economy strives for a zero-waste approach right from the design phase. 1. Products are engineered to be repairable, reusable, and, eventually, recyclable. 2. Keeping products and materials in use. The concept extends the life of products and materials by promoting repair, remanufacturing, and recycling. 2. Instead of discarding products after a single use or a minor fault, the emphasis is on maintenance and durability. 3. Regenerating natural systems. Beyond just reducing harm, the circular economy aims to positively contribute to the environment by replenishing natural resources and enhancing ecosystems. 3. This could be through activities like reforestation or soil regeneration. A sustainable alternative: circular economy versus linear economy. So how does the circular economy differ from its linear counterpart? While the linear economy takes a use it and discard it approach, the circular economy insists on a use it, then use it again and again philosophy. The idea is to create a closed loop where waste is minimized, and any remaining waste is converted into something valuable. The importance of circular economy: an urgent solution for a planet in crisis. Pressing environmental challenges, the clock is ticking. We live in a world grappling with severe environmental crises, from climate change and biodiversity loss to soil degradation and overflowing landfills. These issues aren't just isolated problems, they are interlinked, creating a domino effect that threatens our planet's future. Against this backdrop, the shift towards a circular economy isn't just preferable, it's crucial. Waste not, want not, tackling environmental concerns head-on. The circular economy offers viable solutions to some of our most pressing environmental challenges. By designing out waste, promoting the reuse of products and materials, and regenerating natural systems, we can significantly cut down on waste generation, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, and slow down the depletion of natural resources. Renewable energy, the cornerstone of a circular economy. One of the most exciting intersections between the circular economy and ReneEnergy.com's mission is the emphasis on renewable energy. In a circular economy, renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and green hydrogen play a pivotal role. They offer a sustainable alternative to fossil fuels, not just decarbonizing the economy but also making it more circular. Renewable energy technologies can often be designed to be modular, repairable, and eventually recyclable, fully embracing the principles of a circular economy. Decarbonization, closing the loop sustainably. Another key theme that resonates with the vision of ReneEnergy.com is decarbonization. A circular economy actively contributes to the reduction of carbon emissions. By prolonging the life cycle of products and utilizing waste as a resource, we can minimize the energy-intensive process of extracting and manufacturing new materials. Real-world applications, circular economy in action. Case studies, proof that theory meets practice. The circular economy is more than just a theoretical model, it's a practical solution with tangible benefits. Here are some inspiring case studies that showcase how these principles have been successfully applied in the real world. 1. Remanufacturing in the automotive industry. Companies like Volvo are pioneering the use of remanufactured parts, not just refurbished or recycled. Remanufacturing involves disassembling old parts, renewing them, and reassembling them to meet or even exceed original performance standards. Benefits observed: significant waste reduction, conservation of raw materials, and a decrease in energy consumption and emissions during the manufacturing process. 2. Circular supply chains in fashion. Brands like Stella McCartney and Eileen Fisher are championing circular fashion, which focuses on the recyclability of garments and the sustainability of raw materials. These companies take back old garments to repurpose them into new items. Benefits observed: drastic reduction in textile waste, lower carbon emissions due to less need for new materials, and a decrease in water consumption. 3. Circular agriculture and food systems. Initiatives like regenerative agriculture practices are closing the loop in food systems. Waste products, such as organic waste or food scraps, are converted into compost to enrich soil quality for future farming. Benefits observed: soil regeneration, waste reduction, and sequestration of carbon in soil, thus combating climate change. Renewable energy, the underpinning of circular solutions. Let's not forget how renewable energy plays a significant role in many of these case studies. Whether it's powering remanufacturing plants with solar energy or using wind power for agricultural processes, renewable energy is the unsung hero of circular initiatives. Circular economy and you: small steps, big impact. Personal contributions, how you can make a difference. You might think that the circular economy is a concept best left to policymakers and corporations, but the reality is that individual actions add up. Here are some simple yet impactful steps you can take. 1. Be a conscious consumer. Before making a purchase, consider the lifespan and recyclability of the product. Opt for items made from sustainable or recycled materials, and think about the item's end-of-life disposal. 2. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and beyond. While most of us are familiar with the mantra of reduce, reuse, recycle, the circular economy invites us to go further by repurposing, repairing, and refurbishing items to prolong their useful lives. 3. Share or swap instead of buying. Whether it's a car, a tool, or a book, sharing or swapping can extend the life of an item and reduce overall consumption. Community sharing initiatives and swap meets are great ways to get started. Institutional change, organizations driving progress. For organizations, the steps toward a circular economy may require a more systemic approach, but the rewards are far-reaching. Here are some ways to engage. 1. Circular business models. Transition to business models that incorporate leasing, product as a service, or take-back schemes. This minimizes waste and encourages a longer product life. 2. Renewable energy transition. Adopt renewable energy solutions like solar panels, wind turbines, or green hydrogen systems. These not only lower carbon footprints but also exemplify circular principles by leveraging naturally replenishing resources. 3. Waste-to-resource initiatives. Turn waste streams into new products or inputs for different processes. Many businesses are now transforming their waste into valuable resources, thereby closing the loop in their operations. Aligning personal and organizational actions with broader sustainability goals. Participating in the circular economy is more than just a responsible act, it's a way to contribute to the larger objectives of sustainability and decarbonization. Your decisions, whether personal or organizational, feed into a larger ecosystem. By taking these steps, you're not only reducing waste and conserving resources, you're also fostering a cleaner, less carbon-intensive world, fulfilling the core mission of ReneEnergy.com. Conclusion: your pathway to a circular and sustainable future with ReneEnergy.com. Key takeaways: what we've learned together. As we wrap up this enlightening discussion on the circular economy, let's revisit the essentials. Today, we've explored the core principles of circular economy, its significance for a sustainable future, and its immediate and broader impacts. We've offered actionable tips for individuals and organizations, showing how these measures are in perfect alignment with renewable energy and decarbonization, central themes here on the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. Self-reflection: your consumption choices matter. We encourage you, our valued viewers, to pause and scrutinize your own habits. Are there aspects of your consumption that could be tweaked to fall in line with the circular economy? Whether it's reducing your waste, opting for renewable energy solutions, or making more sustainable buying decisions, there's room for us all to grow. The call to action: be the change you want to see. As a community united by the mission and vision of ReneEnergy.com, we're more powerful than the sum of our parts. We invite you to join us in implementing these circular economy principles in your own life. By doing so, you're not just making an individual impact, you're becoming part of a larger movement committed to sustainability and decarbonization. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey. Here on the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel, we're committed to enlightening and empowering you towards a greener, more sustainable future. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful discussions and practical tips. Until next time, be conscious, be green, and be empowered. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.